AirPods 2 are about to get a successor that could change everything. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back. AirPods Pro 3 are rumored to launch at Apple's awe-inspiring event on September 9th. And after months of speculation, leaks, and iOS code teases, it's clear that the AirPods Pro 3 are making their debut alongside the iPhone 17. Well, Apple has been tight-lipped about iOS 26, but it is confirmed that AirPods will get a potential redesign, heart rate monitor, and even a temperature sensor that could be the standout upgrade. Gone are the days of minor USB-C tweaks. This time, Apple's reportedly ready to push into serious health tracking territory, likely taking inspiration from the Beats Powerbeats Pro 2, which already added heart rate support earlier this year. What more can we get? Well, according to leaks, AirPods Pro 3 will have a new H-series chip for better performance and battery life, adaptive ANC improvements, with rumors of smarter and more customizable noise cancellation, and possibly even Hi-Res Lossless audio support, which would finally make Apple Music's high-end streaming tier usable without dealing with messy wires. But not so fast. Some analysts, including Jeff Pu and Ming-Chi Kuo, claim the AirPods Pro 3 may not launch until 2026 or even 2027 if Apple wants to add IR cameras for gesture control and Vision Pro integration in them. Still, the growing number of software hints, Bluetooth ID leaks, and case design rumors suggest 2025 might just be the year. Are you excited for the Apple event as much as we are? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Hit the bell icon so you stay updated with more tech news.